JK, Moonlight one.
Sup, it's Sydney, and today we decided to throw my little bro, Matthew, who is significantly taller than me, a junior prom because he did not get to experience his because of the spicy flu. We're gonna take you through the entire process of preparing and coming up with the idea all the way through to the actual prom, which I think was really, really fun. We already had it. It was dope. It was lit.
You want to go to prom with me, Yidney?
Yes, of course. Aww. Okay, I'm coming. Did she really just TikTok dance on my promposal? Yay! Aww, aww. Did you just throw it back? Oh my god. I decided to get a haircut on the day of prom because, I mean, like, YOLO, 420 blaze, I don't freaking know. I just did it. Do you even know how much I want cut off?
Nope. I'll get to that whenever I start cutting.
Am I pretty?
Alright, calm down. You hesitated! Oh, alrighty. So how you doing today?
Great. Are you doing it blind?
Maybe.
It's not my fault, not my fault! Oh my god, oh my god! Wait, how did that even happen?
How do I fix it?
At first I was like, ugh, why does it look like that? But then we fixed it and everything was all good. There's just a little, like that is just interesting. But other than that, we're vibing. We just literally adjusted like 2 pieces and then it was like, beautiful. So I'm really excited that I got it cut, but I feel bad because I think I made him feel bad.
Yeah, I was in depression mode on the couch under a blanket, eating a frozen Go-Gurt while scrolling through Twitter. I cut Emily's hair about 2 weeks ago and it was frickin' bomb, but I got too cocky this time because I did really well last time. I went in there and just started doing layers in the back and I thought they were even, so when they came to the front it looked okay. It did not look okay. Yeah, that happened. Sorry you had to see that.
Emily, really?
Use your muscles.
I don't got any of those. Color team didn't help me, guys.
Swam, you're on balloon duty. Emily, eat your salad.
Yes.
Matthew, chalk the driveway. I'm gonna supervise. Bigger than a hooker's boobies. Good thing we're sisters, we're just sharing saliva right now. Keep up the good work.
This is difficult.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do too much in the setup process. I was eating salad.
Problem, we don't have a ton of chalk.
Explain your vision.
Red carpet sidewalk.
Does lawn care really matter right now? Come on, this is prom.
Well, it's probably only going to be like 5 inches long because we're about to run out of chalk.
You know what? 5 inches to guys is like 10, so.
This is how much chalk I have left. This much.
Got me spinning like a ballerina.
Setting up the lights was good, except it was really hot out and I was trying to duct tape lights down in some places and the duct tape was melting. Then I was doing the tent and putting all the lights up in there and then I cut myself on a light. There was a light where the glass on the top was smashed and I just stuck it in my hand, in my finger, so that was cool.
This is false advertising. In the picture, there's no little bow on the bottom, but then the directions say there is a bow on the bottom. So, whatever, there's a bow on the bottom. No, it ripped. Why did it do that?
How you doing?
My fingers hurt.
That's not long enough.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, shut up.
I put on my mom's button down so it'd be easier to take off and I could put on my dress without like smudging anything. And now I literally look like a cowgirl.
Oh my god. Like you could use that for the crease or the like outside edge.
I'm saying a lot of words I don't know. I watched Bethany Moda and she would say inner corner and I would be like, but that's it. I literally look like I just gave myself a black eye. Normally for prom, you would just have someone do your hair and your makeup, but here we are trying to do it ourselves in quarantine with absolutely no skill.
Sup, it's Matthew. Currently, I am sitting on the toilet in the bathroom. Sorry if it's echoey and you can hear the water. Sid's boyf just took a shower. I'm supposed to be ready in 10 minutes, except I need to shave, get dressed, and tie my bow tie, so that's just not gonna happen. Shaving should be really fun since I can't really see in the mirror.
I'm now just gonna apply this white shade into my inner corner.
Gotta cover up the little constellation we have going on in the middle of my friggin' nose. Yet another makeup thing that I'm challenged at. Concealer. James Charles is screaming.
So I cut my face open, which put me back like 20 minutes. It probably would have been faster if I didn't cut my face open with a razor when I was shaving, which I've only done like 2 or 3 times before, and of course one of those had to be today.
Well, we still got time.
I know, but like I'm more concerned about having a giant gash in my face for prom.
It looks fine if we just put a little bit of makeup over it.
Yeah, we're gonna use concealer. Now I'm going to put my bow tie on, which I'm gonna wear this one, which you probably can't even see. Well, I'm gonna be a beauty guru. Ooh. It fell out.
Go to the woods
Why?
to get a stick and
Once again, why?
so I can play with fire.
It was at this moment she knew. She fricked up.
Why?
I'd be using concealer to conceal all the places where I cut my face open.
You are beautiful.
You are beautiful!
You are beautiful.
There's Sam.
Whenever we talk down about ourselves, Sam comes from literally nowhere and screams at us that we're beautiful.
You viewers, you are beautiful.
Now I need to do my hair, because right now I'm getting like Biebs 2009 vibes.
That looks good. I like it.
I look good?
Yeah.
We like it? Okay, this is the look. I am happy with the outfit that I'm wearing, yes, but like in the back of my mind, I know there's like a different outfit I wish I was wearing because I've been planning it for like a year, but obviously I couldn't like go get fitted for a tux or anything.
I chose the look that I did today because everyone thought it looked cool, and because I like to be casual, it looked nice at the same time.
The dress I wore today was what I wore for my senior prom. It's from David's Bridal, get wrecked. I don't like trying on prom dresses. I think it is the most aggravating process ever. My junior year, I just ordered one offline and was like, yep, looks good. And so senior year, my mom was like, no, let's go try on some dresses. And I was like, oh, fine. I tried on the dress that I wore today at David's Bridal, and I liked it, but I wasn't really sure if it was the dress until some other random freaking pageant girl was like, where'd you get that? And I was like, oh, it was over on that side rack. And she was like, I want that dress. And she looked at her mom and she was like,
I want that dress.
okay, sweetie. And then we come to find out that I had the last one and we were the exact same size. So she was basically trying to rip it off my body with her words. And I was like, now I want this dress. And so I bought it. Whenever someone wants something, suddenly you want it more. And I know that makes me sound like a toddler, but I think I look good in the dress, so I'm happy I got it. Sorry, pageant queen. I hope you found a dress and didn't walk naked.
Every single time I took off and put on my dress, everyone was so confused on how it took me like no time to slip it on and off.
Because
But
you stayed a skinny legend. Some of us did not stay skinny legend, so I was out here like,
you don't have to wear a bra with it, so
that's
and
lit.
you can wear spandex without it showing. So you know what? Right up my alley.
There's Mimi.
Oh, there you go. Now hold your
Wow.
Where do I want to
Spiffy from 6 feet apart.
Who are you wearing today?
The all black.
Junior year prom! Woo! Let's look at this fabulous group.
Matthew's junior prom.
You already know, we got the Hawaiian, the triple Hawaiian outfit.
They're going tropical this year, and what is this for us?
My senior prom.
Brennan Senior Prom! Say hi! Cute!
And then Photoshop us together.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, aren't they getting married?
Okay, so my friend Kaylin was like, I'm not gonna show you my dress because I think that's how it works. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's your wedding, but okay. But she showed up in a really pretty dress, and I liked it. She looked like
Carol Baskin.
she had like her flowers in her hair, and she had like a flowery dress and everything.
Wow, what a beautiful heart.
Oh, well.
It was gonna be on Tuesday.
I thought that the prom was on Tuesday, so we got ready.
Someone was mowing your lawn and we were like,
Wait, you guys came by?
Yeah.
At prom, the most annoying part was when people were trying to get their cars in the right spot. It took so much planning to just put the cars in like a line.
Smile! Arms up! Oh, we got people strangling each other. Perfect!
So Sam got in, she goes, hit it, and I was like, where are we going? She goes, sheets.
6 feet photo taking.
I'm shocked that we kind of pulled it all together and something actually happened, because we were running a little bit off schedule and I'm a punctual gal, so I was kind of getting a little bit stressed, but we got it all together and I know Matthew had a really fun time and that's really all that matters, so I'm really excited about it.
Rosie, how was your prom?
I was hitting the wiffle ball and trying to get it over the roof, like over the garage, and I did it, so that's great.
It was a good prom because you could hit your wiffle ball over the roof.
Yes. And I ate a lot of chicken on the stick.
Why are you literally like that boy in middle school that asks a girl to the middle school dance and then just plays around in the gym the whole time?
Stop it.
I had so much fun today. Like, planning the whole thing, and when we first thought about it, we were all so excited, and like every day leading up to it, we were all getting even more excited. So yeah, I definitely had a good time today.
I made a YouTube account. It's just called Sid's Vids Boyfriend. First name Sid's Vids, last name Boyfriend.
I have one too. If you comment something, I'll maybe respond.
This is a quick shameless plug to comment down below so that we can either roast you or applaud you on your creativity and or dumbness. Those of you who respect the privacy, thank you, and I appreciate you. Cheers.
Actually, this was really fun, and no shade, but it was probably more fun than my actual prom would be. I would do prom again.
10 out of 10 would prom again.
11 out of 10 would prom again.
Oh! Yeah!